Stop what you're doing. Imagine walking into your garden and seeing it bloom like it was straight out of a magazine, all without spending a fortune. Sounds impossible? Well, today, I'm revealing 20 game-changing gardening hacks that are cheap, quick, and incredibly clever. And some of them are things you probably already have lying around your house. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be looking at your garden in a completely new way. From creative watering tricks and space-saving solutions to hacks that make your plants grow healthier and faster, these tips are the kind of secrets every garden lover wishes they knew sooner. Welcome back to Garden Homes, where we turn ordinary gardens into extraordinary spaces, one simple hack at a time. And if you're new here, hey, you just found your new favorite channel for budget-friendly, easy-to-do garden tips that actually work. Now, before we dive into these life-changing hacks, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an idea that could completely transform your outdoor space. Stick with me all the way through, because some of these hacks are so unexpected, so clever, and so effective, you'll wish someone told you about them years ago. Trust me, your garden is about to get a serious upgrade. DIY 1. Dollar Tree Self-Watering Planters. Here's a simple way to keep your plants hydrated without constantly checking the soil. Grab a small plastic container and a smaller cup from Dollar Tree. Make a tiny hole at the bottom of the smaller cup. Fill the larger container with water and place the smaller cup inside it, making sure the hole is submerged just slightly. Next, plant your seeds or seedlings in the smaller cup. The water from the larger container will slowly seep through the hole, keeping your soil moist all day. Pro tip: paint or decorate your planters to match your garden theme. Not only do you get a practical self-watering system, but it also adds a charming decorative touch to your space. This hack is perfect for busy gardeners or anyone who forgets to water their plants regularly. DIY 2. Upcycled tea tin herb garden. Here's a clever way to grow fresh herbs right on your windowsill without spending a fortune. Take some empty tea tins, coffee cans, or small containers you have at home and clean them thoroughly. Poke a few small holes at the bottom for drainage. Fill them with soil and plant your favorite herbs. Basil, mint, or parsley work perfectly. Line them up on your kitchen window, shelf, or balcony. Not only do you get fresh herbs whenever you need them, but your space instantly looks charming and organized. Pro tip: label each tin with a chalkboard sticker or simple marker so you always know what's growing where. This simple hack turns ordinary containers into a stylish and functional mini garden. DIY 3. Plastic Bottle Self-Watering System. Here's a brilliant hack for keeping your plants hydrated with minimal effort. Take an empty plastic bottle from home, clean it, and poke a few tiny holes in the cap. Fill the bottle with water, then invert it into your plant pot, burying the cap slightly into the soil. The water will slowly drip into the soil, keeping your plant perfectly moist without daily watering. Pro tip: use different sized bottles for small and large plants, and decorate the bottles with paint or stickers for a fun, personalized touch. This trick is perfect for busy gardeners or for keeping plants alive while you're away. Simple, effective, and completely budget-friendly. DIY 4. Egg Carton Seed Starters. Don't throw away those empty egg cartons just yet. They're perfect for starting seeds. Here's how. Cut each compartment to separate the individual cups. Fill each cup with potting soil and plant your seeds. Tomatoes, peppers, or herbs work great. Label each cup with a small stick or marker so you know what's growing where. Why it works? The carton naturally holds moisture, creating a mini greenhouse effect that helps seeds germinate faster. Once the seedlings are strong enough, simply plant the entire carton cup directly into your garden. The carton will decompose naturally, giving your plants extra nutrients. Pro tip: keep your seed starters near a sunny window or under grow lights. Water gently and consistently, and watch your little seedlings thrive. This hack is eco-friendly, super cheap, and perfect for gardeners of any experience level. DIY 5. DIY Coffee Ground Fertilizer. Before you throw away your used coffee grounds, consider giving your plants a natural boost. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which helps plants grow strong and healthy. Simply sprinkle the used grounds directly onto your soil, around your plants, or mix them into your compost pile for an extra nutrient boost. Why it works? Nitrogen from coffee grounds promotes leafy growth, while the slightly acidic nature can benefit acid-loving plants like tomatoes, roses, and azaleas. Plus, it's a cost-free way to recycle waste right in your garden. Pro tip: don't overdo it. A thin layer is enough. Combine it with other compost materials for balanced nutrition, and your plants will thank you with lush growth and vibrant leaves. This hack is a simple, sustainable, and highly effective gardening tip that anyone can try.
DIY 6. Eggshell Pest Deterrent. Here's a super simple hack to keep pesky pests away from your garden plants. Instead of using chemical sprays, crush empty eggshells and sprinkle them around the base of your plants. The sharp edges deter soft-bodied insects like slugs and snails, protecting your seedlings and flowers. Why it works? Eggshell fragments create a physical barrier, and as they decompose, they also add calcium to your soil, which strengthens plant cell walls. This helps your vegetables, tomatoes, and peppers grow healthier and more resilient. Pro tip: for best results, use freshly crushed shells and reapply after heavy rain. Combine with other natural repellents like coffee grounds or garlic spray for a chemical-free, eco-friendly pest control system. It's cheap, effective, and completely safe for kids and pets. DIY 7. Vertical Bottle Garden. Maximize your garden space with this clever vertical garden using recycled plastic bottles. Take several clean plastic bottles and cut a rectangular opening on one side. Fill each bottle with soil and plant herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. Hang them vertically on a wall, fence, or railing using hooks, strings, or a simple wooden frame. Why it works? Vertical gardens save space, improve air circulation, and make watering and harvesting easier. Plus, they recycle plastic in a creative and practical way. Pro tip: make sure the cutout faces the sun to give your plants enough light. Water gently from the top, and excess will drip to the bottles below, making it an efficient, self-watering system. This hack is perfect for balconies, patios, or any small outdoor area, turning unused vertical space into a productive, eye-catching garden feature. DIY 8. Newspaper Mulch for Weed Control. Here's a super simple hack that saves time and keeps your garden healthy. Instead of buying expensive mulch, use old newspapers to cover the soil around your plants. Steps: lay 2 to 3 layers of newspaper around your seedlings or mature plants, then water lightly to hold them in place. Cover with a thin layer of soil or compost to prevent the paper from blowing away. Why it works? Newspaper blocks sunlight, preventing weeds from sprouting while allowing water and nutrients to reach your plants. As it decomposes, it adds organic matter to your soil, improving fertility naturally. Pro tip: avoid glossy papers and use black and white print for best results. Combine with compost for extra nutrition, and you'll cut down on weeding drastically while recycling household waste. This hack is cheap, eco-friendly, and incredibly effective. DIY 11. Ice cube watering for seedlings. Here's a clever way to keep your seedlings hydrated without overwatering. Instead of pouring water directly, place ice cubes on the soil around your young plants. Why it works? As the ice slowly melts, it releases water gradually, allowing the soil to absorb it evenly and preventing root rot. This method is perfect for delicate seedlings that are easily damaged by strong water streams. It's easy, effective, and keeps your plants healthy while saving you time and effort. DIY 10. Eggshell Seedling Pots and Mid-Video CTA. Here's another brilliant way to start your seedlings for free. Use empty eggshells as tiny plant pots. Carefully crack the tops, remove the eggs, and fill each shell with soil and seeds. The shells protect young roots and can go straight into your garden when seedlings are ready. They decompose and add calcium to your soil. Pro tip: place the eggshells in an egg carton for stability and easy watering. This is a fun, eco-friendly hack that anyone can try, and your seedlings will thank you with strong and healthy growth. If you're enjoying these gardening hacks so far, don't forget to hit that like button, comment your favorite hack, and subscribe to Garden Homes. Trust me, the next 10 hacks are even more surprising and budget-friendly, and you won't want to miss a single one. DIY 11. Recycled plastic spoon plant labels. Here's a clever way to keep your garden organized without spending money. Take some old plastic spoons, write the plant names on the handles with a permanent marker, and stick them into the soil next to each plant. This keeps your seedlings and herbs clearly labeled, making it easier to track growth and care.
Plus, it recycles materials you'd otherwise throw away, turning trash into a practical garden tool. Pro tip: for extra flair, paint the spoon handles in bright colors or add decorative tape. This hack is fun, budget-friendly, and perfect for gardeners of all ages, making plant care simple and visually appealing.
DIY 12. Tin Can Drip Irrigation. Here's a genius hack for watering your plants efficiently without wasting water. Take an empty tin can and punch a few small holes near the bottom. Bury it next to your plant, leaving the top open, and fill it with water. Why it works? The water slowly seeps into the soil, hydrating the roots directly and reducing evaporation. This ensures your plants get consistent moisture while saving water, perfect for hot or dry climates. Pro tip: use different-sized cans for small and large plants, and you can even combine this with compost tea or liquid fertilizer for a slow-release nutrient boost. This hack is simple, cost-effective, and super practical for any garden. DIY 13. DIY Hanging Bottle Herb Garden. Here's a clever way to grow herbs vertically and save space in your garden or balcony. Take a clean plastic bottle, cut an opening on the side, and fill it with soil. Plant your favorite herbs like basil, parsley, or mint. Hang the bottle using rope, string, or hooks on a wall, balcony railing, or fence. This setup maximizes space, keeps herbs within easy reach, and adds a creative, eye-catching element to your outdoor space. Pro tip: make sure the opening faces the sunlight so your plants get enough light. Water gently from the top and let excess water drip down to the bottles below, an efficient self-watering vertical system. This hack is simple, innovative, and perfect for small gardens or apartments. DIY 15. Potato Growing in a Bucket. Here's a clever way to grow your own potatoes without a large garden plot. Take a large bucket or container and fill the bottom with soil. Plant your seed potatoes and cover with a few inches of soil. As the potato plants grow, keep adding soil to cover the stems, leaving the top leaves exposed. Why it works? Potatoes produce more tubers when their stems are gradually buried, and growing them in a bucket makes harvesting easy. Just tip the bucket over when ready. Pro tip: ensure your bucket has drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. This hack is simple, space-saving, and perfect for gardeners with limited outdoor space, giving you a bountiful potato harvest at home. DIY 16. Banana Peel Fertilizer. Here's an easy and natural way to feed your plants using something you'd usually throw away. Take a banana peel, chop it into small pieces, and bury it in the soil near your plants. Why it works? Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which help plants grow stronger, bloom better, and resist diseases. It's a completely natural fertilizer that's free and easy to use. Pro tip: you can also blend banana peels with water to make a liquid fertilizer for quick absorption. This hack is eco-friendly, budget-conscious, and super effective for flowers, vegetables, and fruit plants alike.
DIY 17. Shoe Organizer Vertical Garden. Here's a creative way to turn an old shoe organizer into a vertical garden. Hang it on a wall, fence, or balcony railing. Fill each pocket with soil and plant small flowers, herbs, or succulents. Why it works? The pockets keep soil contained, provide good drainage, and make it easy to care for multiple plants in a small space. Plus, it's a fantastic way to recycle an item you no longer use. Pro tip: make sure the organizer is well secured and the pockets face sunlight. Water gently, letting excess drip down naturally. This hack is space-saving, visually appealing, and perfect for small gardens or patios. DIY 18. Milk Jug Watering Can. Here's a super simple hack to make watering easier using something you probably already have at home: an empty milk jug. Just poke small holes in the cap or the side of the jug, fill it with water, and use it to gently water your plants. Why it works? The holes disperse water evenly, preventing soil erosion and overwatering while reaching the roots directly. It's perfect for indoor plants, seedlings, or small garden beds. Pro tip: for a longer-lasting watering can,
Decorate the jug with paint or tape so it looks neat. This hack is budget-friendly, eco-conscious, and makes watering effortless, especially during hot or busy days. DIY 19. Ice Cube Fertilizer. Here's a quick and clever hack to feed your plants without any mess. Freeze liquid fertilizer in ice cube trays, and whenever your plants need a nutrient boost, just place an ice cube on the soil near the roots. Why it works? As the ice melts, it releases nutrients slowly, giving your plants a steady supply and preventing fertilizer burn. It's perfect for potted plants or small garden beds. Pro tip: mix your fertilizer with water before freezing and store the cubes in a separate tray for different types of plants. This hack is simple, clean, and ensures your plants grow strong and healthy without any hassle. DIY 20. Tin Can Drip Tray Garden. Here's a genius way to reuse tin cans and keep your plants healthy. Take old tin cans, punch a few holes at the bottom, and place them on a shallow tray or dish. Fill the cans with soil and plant flowers or herbs. The tray will catch excess water, preventing mess and keeping your surface clean. Why it works? The holes allow proper drainage, preventing root rot, while the tray collects overflow for reuse. It's a simple, budget-friendly way to grow plants indoors or on a balcony. Pro tip: paint or decorate the cans for a colorful touch, and rotate plants occasionally for even sunlight exposure. This hack is perfect for gardeners looking to combine creativity, sustainability, and practicality in their space. There you have it. 20 amazing gardening hacks that are simple, creative, and budget-friendly. Which one was your favorite? I'd love to hear in the comments below. If you tried any of these hacks or have your own tips to share, make sure to drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Homes for more practical gardening ideas that save you time, money, and effort. And hey, stay tuned. Our next video is packed with even more unexpected garden hacks and tips that will completely transform your outdoor space. Until then, happy gardening, and remember, small changes can make a big difference in your garden.